All right, welcome. So this is my training. It is specifically for middle school science students who are learning how to navigate and use the resources for our textbook, which is called Amplify. There are three objectives. They need to learn how to navigate. They need to learn how to use the library to annotate online and submit annotations. And they need to learn how to use the simulations that go with each unit. So that is there's three modules for that in Canvas. I have it set up here. So I'm going to show you in a student view kind of what that's going to look like for them on their end. I'm going to close these for now. So this is just kind of how it comes. So the Amplify Navigation is the first module. They are going to start here in the welcome message, which will be a video that also should show them how to navigate in Canvas, as well as kind of just an overview of how they go through. Hopefully I'll make the directions simple. Watch and push the next button. So that is what we'll go through. They have a pre-training survey that just kind of asks them how their experiences, how much experience they have with science and Amplify in general. Then there's a navigation video. So this is teaching them how to navigate in Amplify. I will encourage them to jump around if they wish to just look at some of the diagrams that also tell them how an Amplify is set up, and kind of just like reference diagrams that show them how to navigate as well. And then the main assignment is to do a scavenger hunt, which they will use the website, and they can make a copy of this doc and type on it, because that's really how they learn to use Amplifies, by trying it out. The learning check here is in quizzes. It's embedded into the Canvas page. And so I just wanted to show that it has questions. They get feedback right away on if it was right or wrong. And then there's little tips that kind of also give additional feedback. So I just wanted to show that. Then they will do a discussion where they give a tip, get a tip. So this is in Padlet, but it's embedded into a Canvas page so that they kind of stay in the website here. And then they will have an assessment, which they can take multiple times. And the assessment will also give them feedback if they got a question incorrect. There's some feedback so that they can retry that question. They have to go back and amplify and navigate to be able to answer the questions. So that walks them through that. And then they have an exit survey at the end of this module, just what was useful, what was maybe confusing, that kind of thing, to give some feedback. And then this is going to take them to the next module, but I just want to give an overview here. So that was the first module, and then we have the Amplify Library is the next module. They will have a welcome video specifically showing how to annotate in the Amplify Library, another quizzes learning check, probably another discussion in Padlet, and then their assignment is to submit annotation. So that will show their understanding, and I can give feedback both in Amplify or in Canvas, and whether they did, a good job submitting annotations. Then the third module is for the sims or simulations. So another welcome video that will walk them through what they're doing. They will have time to just explore some of the different simulations in Amplify. And then after they've had some explore time, they're going to do a reflection, picking one specific sim to reflect on and share that in a discussion so that they can kind of, see what other people did. And that is it. So I was just going to go back to, I'm still debating on whether making a different type of home screen instead of having the home screen just be right in the modules, but